thank you for the TA. Can you elaborate more on the halving scare? Sure. If you look at Bitcoin, previously on Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin, right, over here, okay, let's just do a replay. Lessons in history, right? Previously, when Bitcoin was here, right, in 2019, right, the moment we crossed the skin pink line, you know, there was euphoria. Wow, the bull run has started, right? Because previously there was a falling channel kind of a chart pattern, right? Once we broke the falling channel, that's it, bull run. So this was like, you know, falling channel as well. We broke it, bull run. So I was like, hey, yo, bro, be very, very careful, right? We are already super severely overbought at this point of time. So, okay, let me just turn off the replay. So when we were here, right, there was a very nice descending triangle that formed. So I was like, huh, I think we're about to reverse back towards the downside though. And then I got targets for around 5,005, I think, right? When I saw this, I was like 5,005. So we dropped down, right? Again, there was also a head and shoulders here, right? We dropped down, and after that we rose up. We almost took out the third mountain, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2, mountain 3. We almost took out the third mountain, but we didn't. So which means that the 5,005 target was still valid. We dropped. We went under the skinny pink line. I was like, oh, bro, this is not good. But at the same time, we created an inverse head and shoulders. So we had a bullish reversal back towards the upside. And then again, there was a head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Right. Even here as well, you can see a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And then we collapse. This is what you call the pre-halving scare, right? The halving for Bitcoin came only in BTC USDT. Hey, yo, bro. Yeah, the halving only came in May 2020. So this is what you would call as a pre-halving scare. It actually did happen. A super black swan event. Not super black, but it was a black swan event. So is there a possibility that we could get a pre-halving scare, you know, right before the halving? A pre-halving scare right before the halving. Could this happen? Of course. Of course. So, yeah, again, because at this point of time, we are already overbought, right? If you look over here, you know, there's just that possibility, right, at the back of our head that there could be a pre-halving scare. If it doesn't happen, great. If it happens, then, yeah, we're going to have to, you know, have to be very patient. If it does happen, I would anticipate us to go back to under sub 20,000, right? Potentially. Again, there are levels to this. So the lowest level I have is about 20,000. So this will be a brilliant opportunity to accumulate altcoins or whatever coins it is that you think has high value, right? Because again, if you look at, let's say for example, we look at total, right, crypto market cap, right? If you look at the total crypto market cap, we are not in a bull run yet. This is a bull run. This is not a bull run yet. Okay, you might argue that we're already halfway, not halfway, but partially in the bull run already. Of course, you can say that. But a bull run means that more likely than not, we're going to see super volatile moves towards the upside, right? Super volatile moves. Where is it? It's not here yet. Are we, you know, rising in a very controlled manner? Yeah. Is there any bearish reversal? Nope. So, yeah, we could just zip up though. But yeah, if you were to ask me, I think we are probably in the midst of a bull run, but there will be pullbacks along the way, right? Right before we go parabolic, there was a small pullback, and then PAM, we went crazy. So again, you can even see it here, the pre-halving scare, zoom, right? So again, we're not entirely sure. So we are already in a bullish bias, right? We're already going longs for several coins, but we have that pre-halving scare at the back of our mind. So I hope that explains things. Bon.